Just give me a minute. Have you heard anyone die from embarrassment? I personally haven't. So it's so sad to see so many people with such a humongous dreams just sit and linger in their minds with it and not act on it because of embarrassment, because of what someone will say, what someone will think. Are my family will understand it? Are my friends will understand it? It doesn't matter. If it makes sense to you, if it makes you happy, if it's something you truly are passionate about, just go and do it, because we live only once, we live only once. We have one life, we have one chance to do what actually makes us happy. So don't allow embarrassment take over your life, because it is such a strange little emotion that people haven't talked about a lot, and embarrassment can overtake you and then it just spirals. So push it aside, just jump. If you feel like it's uncomfortable and you think that maybe be good, I think it's the best time for you to jump and see what's going on. Maybe no one knows who you are at the moment, but there's possibility there will be so many people who will know who you are because you jumped, because you pushed through that embarrassment, and you can inspire so many people around the world. But firstly, do it for yourself. Get over it, literally get over it, and jump and do it. Push it aside and conquer your dreams. Leave your dream and comments down below, and I will see you next one real soon. So yeah, bye.